Images are everywhere in enterprise applications, product catalogs, scanned documents, security cameras, medical scans, and user-uploaded photos. Extracting meaning from them without building and hosting your own computer vision models is hard. Azure AI Vision is Microsoft's managed image intelligence API that reads text and images, describes scenes in natural language, detects objects and people, and supports custom image classifiers, all with a single REST call. This video covers everything you need to get started. Building computer vision from scratch creates 5 compounding problems. Training an image classifier requires thousands of labeled images and GPU time to reach production accuracy. OCR models must handle skewed, noisy, and handwritten text that generic models miss. Object detection needs bounding box annotation and architecture choices between speed and precision. Content moderation models require sensitive category labeling that is costly and legally complex. And every model needs separate deployment pipelines you must retrain as data drifts. Azure AI Vision is Microsoft's fully managed computer vision service. It ships 4 major capabilities in one API: image analysis for scene description, object detection, tagging, and dense captioning using a Florence-based foundation model, OCR for reading printed and handwritten text in documents and images, face API for face detection, attribute estimation and verification, and custom vision for training image classifiers and object detectors on your own labeled dataset with no ML code. The Azure AI Vision workflow runs in 5 steps. Send your image URL or raw bytes to the Vision REST endpoint. Choose your visual feature analysis, OCR, face detection, or custom model. The Vision service runs the Florence Foundation model or your custom model. Receive a structured JSON response with captions, tags, bounding boxes, text lines, or confidence scores. Route the result to your application, search index, or moderation pipeline. Azure AI Vision has 4 capability pillars. Image analysis uses the Florence Vision Foundation model to generate dense captions, detect objects with bounding boxes, identify brands and landmarks, and tag images with semantic labels. Read OCR extracts printed and handwritten text from images and PDFs with layout preservation. Face API detects faces, estimates age and emotion attributes, and verifies identities. Custom Vision trains domain-specific classifiers and object detectors on your labeled images. How does Azure AI Vision compare? AWS recognition covers labels and faces, but lacks dense captioning and the Florence Foundation model depth. Google Cloud Vision is strong on OCR and landmark detection, but offers no custom vision training UI. Hugging Face and open source clip models are powerful but require you to host, scale, and fine-tune everything yourself. Azure AI Vision wins on the combination of Florence-based dense captioning, custom vision no-code training, and native Azure compliance. Azure AI Vision Image Analysis 4.0 is powered by Microsoft Florence, a multimodal vision foundation model trained on billions of image text pairs. Dense captioning generates natural language descriptions for every region of an image in a single API call. Custom Vision reaches over 90% accuracy on most classification tasks, from fewer than 50 labeled images per class. Azure AI Vision powers 5 categories of enterprise image intelligence: e-commerce catalog, automation tags, and describes product images at scale to power search, filtering, and recommendation engines. Document digitization extracts text, tables, and layout from scanned invoices, contracts, and forms for downstream processing. Security and access control uses Face API to verify identity at facility entrances and time attendance systems. Content moderation flags adult, violent, or brand unsafe images before they reach end users. Medical imaging analysis classifies and detects anomalies in radiology and pathology images using custom vision trained on domain labels. 4 lines to analyze an image in Python. Import image analysis client from the Azure Vision package. Create a client with your endpoint and key. Call analyze with your image URL and the visual features you want. Then read captions and tags from the result. The same client handles read OCR with a single method swap. Custom Vision uses a separate prediction client that calls retrained project endpoint with identical structure. Use Azure AI Vision when you need managed image intelligence on Azure for scene analysis, OCR, face detection, or custom classification without training or hosting your own models. It is the right choice for e-commerce, document processing, content moderation, and security applications. Skip it when you need video-level understanding at scale. Use Azure Video Indexer for that. For multi-image reasoning or visual question answering over complex scenes, Azure OpenAI with GPT-4o Vision will give you deeper language-grounded understanding. Azure AI Vision in 5 points. 1. Image Analysis 4.0 powered by Florence generates dense captions, object bounding boxes, semantic tags, and brand and landmark detection in one call. 2. Read OCR extracts printed and handwritten text from images and PDFs with layout and table preservation. 3. Face API detects and verifies faces with attribute estimation for access control and identity verification. 4. Custom Vision trains image classifiers and object detectors from fewer than 50 labeled images with no ML code. 5. All 4 capabilities share one Azure resource, one SDK, and Azure RBAC and compliance. Stop building and hosting computer vision models from scratch. Azure AI Vision gives you dense captioning, OCR, face detection, and custom classifiers as a managed API. Start at aga.ms/Azure AI Vision.